people from Bhadra Electronics. Here they are joined for ECM training course. So let them introduce by themselves. So your name please?
My name is Nidin. I'm coming from Kerala.
Very good. You?
Myself Hamdan. I'm coming from Kerala as well, from Thrissur.
Okay, fine. May I know your working professions?
I'm a mechanical. 2 years experience in mechanical.
Wow.
No
Nice.
idea to ECM course. So new generations were coming.
Okay. So you are failed to repair the latest board. We are having a trendy market in technology.
Yes.
So you are lagging in those
Yes.
portions, right?
Yes.
So related to all modules and repair procedures and what the instructions for testing purpose, everything, right? Okay, fine. So your work experience and what's your background, each and everything.
Actually, I don't have any work experience. I'm currently undergoing my PG UG graduate degree from BBA stream. From my childhood onwards, I was an automotive enthusiast. So my cousin suggested me this place.
Okay.
Best ECM training.
That's
how I came here.
Okay, so you can see our students, they are having different professions. One of the person is mainly working under our domain, and one of the person he joined as a UG student, but he is very enthusiastic in this domain, so that's why he joined for our training. So we need to discuss in depth about their requirements, each and everything. So may I know what's your requirement right now? Why you joined for Bhadra Electronics?
And my cousin suggested.
Okay, you got referral from your cousin, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So what's your main goal
Main goal is
after finishing of this training course? So you can speak in Malayalam, so no problem.
So their vehicles are new technology,
Okay.
electronic
Okay.
control modules, fully control modules, new vehicles, old. So ഞാൻ വർക്ക് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത് മെക്കാനിക് വർക്ക് മാത്രമേ എനിക്ക് അറിയുള്ളൂ.
Okay.
അപ്പോൾ
Okay.
ഇതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് പഠിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എൻ്റെ കസിൻ പറഞ്ഞു ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന്. അതൊക്കെ ന്യൂ ടെക്നോളജി ഫ്യൂച്ചേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്നു ബാംഗ്ലൂർ 1 month കോഴ്സ്
Okay. Fine.
പുതിയ പുതിയ അറിവുകൾ നേടാനും.
Okay. Fine. And may I know your requirements? Why you joined for training first of all?
Actually, my main goal is to achieve, to open a own garage. So,
Wow, super.
Yeah, so actually I don't have any experience with this field. So when I searched online, based on diagnosis courses, so Bhadra was the first place listed by Google itself. And in-depth searching, my cousin told me that he has some friends who studied here. That's how I came to this place. And when I came to this place, it was all good for me. And after this, I would like to open up my own garage like this.
Okay, that's fine. May I know with a few questions? Do you know how to use scanner?
No sir, I'm totally fresher to this field.
Totally for sure. Do you know how to use the scanner?
ഫോൺ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട്
Okay.
ജസ്റ്റ്
Okay.
ക്ലിയർ.
With just fault code read and clear. You are not having in-depth knowledge about this vehicles. But in this training, you will going to cover all the modules what we are present in a car and how to create the fault code, how to clear the fault code. And we are having a different categories also, like 30% category for only repair procedures, 30% for the programming procedures, 30% for the key programming procedures, and 10% for the wiring process. So in this training, you will going to cover with a total 100% of a package what we are going to cover in our training. So I hope I will going to reach your expectations. Okay. So thanks for joining Bhadra.
താങ്ക് യു സർ.
Thank you, sir. Now you guys, you got a clear picture about our students' requirements and their complete willingness to study this course. And I will bring them after this finishing of course. You will going to get a clear picture from their end only. So we won't tell by ourselves. Thank you.